guys, we're gonna join.
Hi! I got a new car. I don't like it. Because I like to go in this one. I didn't do that. That wasn't me. That was Mom. You know 20 billion people are watching that, right? I'm going to do a ramp, Mom. I see the ramp. It's right next to me. I don't know what. Why am I so bad?
Oh, get no screen. Oh, there's whiskers. You can't really see.
Come on!
Oh.
That was epic. You want to try, Nico?
Yeah, record. Go. Okay, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Scars here, and today, come on, it's stuck. Get it! Mom's over there, like, shoot the hook, Nico! Go! Wrong way. You want to do the ramp? I thought.
Oh.
Nico, no, that just looks wrong.
Okay, go.
This is got stuck. I'm gonna place it in front of the ramp, Nico. And you're just gonna go forward, okay? Not yet. You go forward, you go. Go! Vacuum cleaner.
Okay, does it say pause?
Yeah.
Oh, pause it. Then it goes back when you pause it. Here.
I know you can cut it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not a fake YouTuber. Go! No, just go! Whee! Oh my god! Hey, you guys want to see my fort? Follow me. There's my horn. Nico's trying to run me over. Don't drive through the sand! Want to play soccer later? Look at the doggies. Earn my fort. I built it on a trash. I put a pillow in there. Look at it. It's so fabulous and spacious. And the rug, chest, things. That was the second story. Cardboard. And it rained. Then killed itself. You guys are gonna watch us do. Ah! Nico, turn it off. Let's go on the trampoline. You guys want to see some epic tricks?